Warrior.
So I'm sure you've seen it done to plenty of cars. I'm sure you've seen it on cars. I'm sure you've wondered how to do it, or if it's even beneficial, or if it even looks good. And so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing this tire ink on my tires, on my Nitto tires. And so we're going to go ahead and fill in the Nitto symbol and then the NTO5 symbol, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. The first step to doing the tire ink is you want to make sure that you clean off all dirt or anything that could affect it actually sticking to your tire. And so I have rubbing alcohol that I'm using just to make sure that I clean it up really nicely. And so as you can see, there's a lot of dirt that came off of that tire, and so you can't install the ink on the tire unless you have it actually clean. The reason I like to use the rubbing alcohol is because it dries super quick and it's also super effective. Once it's effectively dried, now you're able to get into the tire ink pen. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open it up. So I have mine open right here, and then I ended up getting these off of dipyourcar.com. So I'll post a link down in the description on what pens that I am using. And so it tells you on the back to make sure to prime the pen right here. And then after that, you want to go ahead and fill the outside of the letters in, and then you want to fill the inside in. And don't put super thick coats on it, let it dry, and then once it's dried, then go ahead and put another coat on. So you'll start by doing the outside of the edge of the tire for the letters. And then once you've got the outside all filled in, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and actually just finish coloring these tires in. I'm using an old set of tires that I have because the ones on my car were a little more difficult because I left them attached to the car. So this I can physically show you how to do the tire ink. And right there, I mean, it kind of looks like dump right now. It's not going to look great off your first coat. But after this dries, then you'll end up just doing another coat, which will look way better. And so continue to go ahead and just fill in the rest of those letters, and I think that you'll really enjoy the look. As you can tell, mine turned out really nicely. Even if we get close up, it looks very clean. So I went ahead and applied the tire ink to the tires. I honestly thought that the letters on the tires were going to be a lot bigger. I didn't really look at them before I ordered the tire ink. I just looked on Google on kind of what it looked like. And so as you can see, it actually turned out really good. They're just a lot smaller than I anticipated. So we're going to go ahead and finish this up, and then yeah, we'll go Hey guys, thanks for watching another video on my channel. I'll have plenty more content coming out, so make sure that you stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned.